Here I have Motorola Edge 30 Neo, and today I'm going to show you how to enable Do Not Disturb mode on this device. So to do this, firstly you have to go to the upper bar, and here you can find the button Do Not Disturb. So by tapping on it you can just switch it, and by holding your finger on it you can access some of its settings. For example, you can add exceptions to this mode, like what can interrupt Do Not Disturb. You can add people, like conversations, calls, messages. You can add apps to exceptions. You can add alarms and other interruptions like media sounds or touch sounds or others. You can set up a schedule for this mode. You can set up default duration of Do Not Disturb, and you can also hide sound from notifications. You can hide visual and sound from notifications, or you can customize what you want to hide and what you don't want to. So yeah, and that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.